What if I told you that right now? In 2026, ordinary people across the United States are quietly making money every single day using AI, not because they are smarter, not because they have special degrees, but because they understand one simple shift. They are using tools that multiply their time instead of trading their time for money. Now here's the real question. Are you going to be one of the people who just watches this video and moves on? Or are you actually going to pay attention, understand the strategy, and take action? Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to break down real AI money-making ideas that are working right now. And if you miss even one detail, you could miss an opportunity that could literally change how you make money online. So do yourself a favor. Don't skip, don't get distracted, and listen carefully till the end, because the last idea is something most people still don't know, and it has the highest potential. Let's start with something simple but extremely powerful: AI content creation for businesses. Right now, millions of small businesses in the US need content every single day. They need social media posts, ad copy, email campaigns, product descriptions, and more. But here's the problem. Most business owners don't have the time or the skill to create consistent, high-quality content. That's where you step in. Using AI tools, you can generate professional-level content in minutes. What used to take hours can now be done in a fraction of the time. And businesses are willing to pay for that convenience. You don't need to be a professional writer. You don't need years of experience. All you need is the ability to understand what a business wants and use AI to deliver it. You can easily charge anywhere from $100 to $500 per month per client, depending on the volume and quality. Now think about this for a second. If you have just 5 clients, you're already building a solid monthly income. And the best part is, once you understand the process, it becomes repeatable. You're not starting from scratch every time. You're building a system. But don't get too comfortable yet, because the next idea takes things to another level. Faceless AI YouTube channels. This is one of the fastest growing methods in the online world right now. You don't need to show your face. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't even need to record your own voice. AI can generate scripts, voiceovers, and visuals for you. There are entire channels making thousands of dollars per month. Using this exact strategy, they pick a niche, create engaging videos, and monetize through ads, affiliate links, and digital products. And here's the part most people don't realize. Consistency beats perfection. You don't need viral videos to succeed. You need consistent uploads and a clear niche. The earlier you start, the more advantage you have. Because while others are still thinking about it, you could already be building an asset that pays you over time. Now here's where things start getting really interesting. AI freelancing automation. Most people think freelancing means doing all the work yourself. But smart people are flipping the model. Instead of trading hours for money, they use AI to complete tasks faster and scale their outputs. For example, logo design, website content, SEO articles, or even simple video edits can now be assisted heavily by AI tools. You can take on more clients without increasing your workload. This means higher income without burning out. Imagine completing a task in 1 hour that used to take 5 hours and still charging the same price. That difference becomes your leverage. That's how you move from working for money to making systems work for you. Now before I go further, here's something important. If you're finding value in this and you actually want to learn how to build income streams like this step by step, make sure you subscribe and stay connected, because most people won't tell you this kind of information in a simple, actionable way. And trust me, the next ideas are even more powerful. Let's move to another opportunity that is quietly exploding. AI-powered digital products. Instead of working for clients, you create something once and sell it again and again. This could be books, templates, guides, or even AI-generated art. With the help of AI, you can create these products much faster than before. And once it's created, you can sell it on platforms or your own website without needing to constantly trade your time. This is where passive income starts becoming real. You're not just earning once, you're earning repeatedly from the same effort. And in 2026, This model is becoming more accessible than ever. Now here's a mindset shift that most people miss. AI is not replacing you, it's amplifying you. The people who learn how to use it effectively are the ones who will dominate. The people who ignore it will struggle to keep up. So the real question is not whether AI will change the game. It already has. The real question is, are you going to adapt early or wait until it becomes crowded? Let's talk about another underrated method. AI-assisted affiliate marketing. Instead of creating products, you promote other people's products and earn a commission. But here's where AI gives you an advantage. You can generate blog posts, video scripts, social media content, and even email funnels to promote these products more effectively. You're not guessing what to say. You're using AI to optimize your messaging. And when done right, this can turn into a consistent income stream. The key is choosing the right niche and understanding your audience. Now here's something most beginners don't want to hear, but you need to understand this. None of these methods will work if you just watch and don't take action. Information without execution is useless. The difference between people who make money online and those who don't is not knowledge, it's action. Even if you start small, even if your first attempt isn't perfect, you are still ahead of 90% of people who never start. And now, the idea I told you to wait for. AI automation services for businesses. This is where the real money is. Businesses are looking for ways to save time, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. If you can help them automate tasks using AI, whether it's customer support, email responses, data entry, or content workflows, you become extremely valuable. And unlike small gigs, these services can be priced much higher. We're talking about hundreds or even thousands of dollars per project or per month. Because you're not just offering a service, you're solving a problem that directly impacts their business. So now you have a choice. You can close this video and forget everything you just heard. Or you can pick one idea, focus on it, and start building something real. You don't need to do everything at once. You just need to start. Because in a world where AI is changing everything, the biggest risk is doing nothing. If you made it this far, that already tells me something about you. You're willing to learn. You're willing to listen. Now the next step is to take action. Subscribe, stay consistent, and start building your path to making money online with AI. Because the opportunity is here. The tools are here. And now, it's your move. Before we dive deeper, a quick disclaimer. The methods I share in this video are real, but results can vary depending on effort, consistency, and the choices you make. This isn't a get rich overnight trick. It's about learning, applying, and using AI smartly. Always do your research before investing time or money. Now, here's the thing. If you want to actually see the next steps, the hidden tools, and the strategies most people never talk about, you need to subscribe right now. I promise, the next video could be the moment that completely changes your perspective on making money online. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and stick around, because what I reveal next is something almost no one else is showing, and missing it could cost you hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars in potential income. Trust me, this is one click you won't regret.